Archimedes principle. Objective: to understand Archimedes principle and verify it. While bathing in a pool, our body feels much lighter. We feel as if water is pushing us up. This upward force is called buoyant force. When a solid object is immersed in a liquid, an upward buoyant force acts on the object. The magnitude of this force is given by Archimedes principle. According to Archimedes principle, when a body is partially or wholly immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upward thrust which is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the immersed part of the body. Let us conduct an experiment to verify Archimedes principle. For this we will need an overflow can, a spring balance, a stone, a beaker, and a physical balance or weighing scale. Suspend the stone from the hook of the spring balance with the help of the string and record the weight of the stone. The weight of the stone is 3.5 Newton. Now place the beaker under the spout of the overflow can and pour water into the can till it starts flowing out through the spout and into the beaker. When the water stops dripping, remove the beaker. Empty the beaker, dry it and place it under the spot once again on a weighing scale this time. Now reset the weighing scale to 0. Gradually lower the stone suspended from the spring balance into the overflow can containing water and record the new reading of the stone's weight when it is fully immersed in the water. The weight of the stone now is 2.6 Newton. The stone is displaced some water which flows through the spout and collect in the empty beaker. When the water stops dripping into the beaker, note the reading on the weighing scale under the beaker. It says 0.9 Newton, which is equal to the difference in the reading of the stone's weight in air and when fully immersed in water. Thus the apparent loss in the weight of the stone or the upward thrust on it is equal to the weight of the water displaced by it, which proves Archimedes' principle. To summarize, when a body is partially or fully immersed in a liquid, it experiences an upward thrust which is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the immersed part of the body.